In this video, we will see how to delete the files permanently on macOS. So let's get started. This video is for MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, iMac and Mac Mini. I will show you 3 simple ways to delete the files permanently on macOS. So we have these 3 files. One is folder, one is video and one is file to delete. First way is to right click on the object that you want to delete and click on move to bin. And if you see here on the dock in your bin, you can see that object will appear. Second way is to drag and drop on the bin folder. So you can see that the video which was there on the test folder, now it has been moved to bin. Third way is to click on the command and delete option on your keyboards and the file will be moved to bin. In order to put back again the files onto the original folder, you just need to click on the object that you need to move back and click on put back. In order to delete the files permanently from the recycle bin, you need to right click on the bin option on the dock and click on the empty bin. In this way, you can permanently delete the files, folders or objects from the bin. So if you see now, the bin is empty. If you find the video helpful, please like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.